Hello friends, how are you? So this video is my final assignment, my project, and my project is tall building design assignment from Skyfi Labs. So we will explain how to design, how to define and analyze it from ETAB software. So that's why I will open the ETAB software. Okay, then first, I have a question which are based on the my assignment, and this question is we have a three type of columns: 500 by 500, and beam is 500 by 300, and one is a 550 by 550 or 550 by 350, and last of three 600 by 600 and 600 by 400. Okay, and type grade of concrete we are using this M40, and reverse bar we are using high yield strength and definition 500 bar, and mild 250 bar which are used to transverse, and these are used to main bars. Okay, and slab in the slab purpose also provided the M40 grade of concrete, and thickness is 150 mm. We are using the autoclading drawing, and which have a clawing load 1.2 kN per meter. Okay, and this building is area consider providing me in Bangalore's area. So let's see how it will work. So there are a 23 floors. Okay, 23 floors, and different floor have different type of load. Day load always same up to bottom to up to top 2 kilonewton. Every floor have contain 2 kilonewton, but live load is different from different floors. Like fast to 8, 5 and 5 kilonewton per meter square. Uh, 9 to 14, 4.5 kilonewton per meter square, and 15 to 19, 4 kilonewton per meter square, and 20 to 23rd, 20 to 23rd, 3.5 kilonewton meter square. So we'll open the ETAB software. Okay, we'll explain the ETAB software, and firstly we are select the page. How to select the page? So click on new, then this is the four types of information will provided. The till design code and concrete design code must be checked, and we are using the Indian in India there, that's why we are database using the India, and display code unit also be available. So then we'll click the OK. Then type of food, that type of grid section have there. Select the which type of how much grid have required and how much storage required, and grids type of system. That's why. So firstly we are x direction in grid 4 and y direction is grid 4. Spacing between we have 6 meters, that's why we are spacing 6 meters, and y also 6 meter, and story is the 23rd, and typical story is 4, and base 4 is 3, and this select this type of grid 6 and grid section. Okay, then okay, but I have done already. That's why I open this file which are before complete my assignment. So please wait, it will open. Yes, see, for this is the 3D view and this is the plane view. Okay, so this is the building structure, and first we will define the define. In define menu we first define the material, like we want three type of material, because there have a three type of material we required when N40, and HYSD 500 and mild 250. That's why we are define the material first three. Okay, from the add new material, then okay, and after this we are defining the section. in the section, the frame section we are selecting, because section is a three types of section up there. uh, Firstly we are required to column, then we are required to beam, and then the slab. But in the frame belong to column and beam, that's why we are creating column and beam as per as my providing question. That's why we are define. After this section also have the slab section, and we are creating the property in this slab section. You will see slab 150. Okay, after defining this, we will define the load pattern. How much load pattern? There have a two type of load, live load and wind load. Up to here, live load and wind load. Live load and wind load we have there. Then also then draw. In the draw menu, in this point, draw beam column based object, and we are selecting the draw column. And for beam, for drawing beam, we are select the this type. For drawing column, we are selecting the this. Okay, the shortcut have there, so that's why I am using this toolbars. So click this and simply properties firstly define, and they are like me. uh, this is the beam section which have you require. Is the before we are these three type of column have there, but we are section properties in the column auto section menu bar means this three type of column is conducting this column auto section. Okay, which are automatically collected data. That's why, so we are selecting the columns auto section, and then normally select the properties, select the diagram, select the area, which area we have want. Okay, then after the beam also same format. In the same format, beam also we have providing, and slab also providing. Okay, after column, beam and slab providing, this structure will be shown in the display scheme in 3D view. Okay, then in question used to auto draw cladding. After this structure creating, we are providing the autoclad system have there is in the draw menu. Autoclad system have their point is bar is there. You simply click and use the floor and then okay, then it will the providing the wall autocladding is providing. Okay, so no problem. After these, we are providing the load. How much load have required? Here the slab load or cell load and frame load, and we have a two type of load, right? Live load and dead load. So for providing this type of load, we are using the cell load. Okay, so first we'll open the this type of cell load and using the dead load, and providing how much we are required to dead load. We are required 2, that's why we are typing 2, then apply. Okay, so it will providing the all floor, then it will work as like as my son. So we are providing the 2, then apply, then okay. Okay, after providing dead load, we are providing the live load, and live load, from live load we are selecting the similar studies, because we have a 4 types of load in live load: 1 to 8, 5, 9 to 14, 4.5, 15 to 19, 4, 20 to 33, 3.5. That's why we are using the similar stories. Okay, so we are going to similar stories, and I'm going to this type of top bar, this type of top bar. We are probably going to story one. Okay, story one, and select the all type of slab. This one, everything will select. Okay, everything will select. Sorry, unfortunately it will um, erupted. Okay, we'll open the file. Okay, okay, so while we have the live load providing. So live load providing, so we are selecting the similar stories, and then going to cell load and uniform load. Then live load is normally select, then how much we require and apply. Okay, in this type everything load will provide it. And we have a cladding load. in this load in this load, frame load, cladding load only belong to frame load. Frame load in distribution load, and cladding load is 2.2. We have 2.2 kilometer per meter square, kilonewton per meter. Okay, we're putting the 2.2 and apply, then okay, then cladding load also provided. So three load we will provide it: live load, dead load, cladding load. Okay, after this we have a one type of load. One type of load, which are wind load. Okay, in wind load we are selecting the all stories, and for providing the wind load, first we will understand to elevation. What is the elevation? Elevation means, let's we'll first define the, if any building four side, this is the one side, this is the two side, this is the three side, this is the four side. So if we are seeing this have there, so we are seeing this wall also and this wall also. If we are standing have there, look, and then you are seeing that this type also and this wall also, and then this grid and this grid you will see. If we are standing there, and this grid you seen and this grid you seen. If you using that there, then this grid you seen and this type of grid you seen. So that's why where elevation is very important. And in the elevation A, firstly select the A and apply. Okay, okay, now the elevation you will see the, and this elevation it will find. Okay, this is the elevation. So how we'll define? So for providing the wind load, first define the wind load. So open the load pattern and wind load. This is the wind load, and modify the lateral. And there have a few many points have required. So wind coefficient in the wind speed, we are using the Bangalore area. So in the Bangalore area, let's see, I will open the PDF file, then it will understand is very easy. Okay, understand is very easy. 1987. 1987. Oh, 1987. Hmm. See, in the Bangalore area, see, in the Bangalore area, the wind speed is Bangalore area. Wind speed is Bangalore area is 33. Okay, what is the Bangalore is, see, Bangalore is the 33. Okay, so we will be providing the wind speed is 33. And terrain category also have in this code, and code name is Indian standard 18 875 1987. Okay, and the winds terrain categories have there in this code. So terrain categories is, where is the terrain categories in the okay. Target categories is clause in the code, clause 5.3.2.1. Target categories is 3. Let's see, target category is 3 because 10 meter up to 10-meter heights is like the category is 3. Okay, and one also have class. Soil class is C because let's see the greatest horizontal and vertical dimension greater than the 50 meters. So our building size is more than 50 meters. That's why we are using the class type of C. So that's why target category is 3 and structure class is C. Okay, then nothing to else. Okay, okay, then okay. After this, select the elevation and going to the providing this type this system. So select how to select. Then the first we are elevating, first we are seeing the this before we will understanding how to define. See how to understand the required. So let's explain. So we have a building, so four side, A side, B side, C side, D side. If we are standing there, we are seeing the this one. If we are standing there, we seeing the this door. We are standing the C, then we will see the this one. And if it's standing up there, we are seeing the D wall. So same as like as if we are building, if we are standing the building, then you will the same. Let's see, this is the grade system A B C, and where is the grade system 1 2 3 4. Okay, ABC is this format and 1 2 3 is this format. So we are providing, if we are providing the A side, then what we will see, this we will see, this we will see, this we will see, and in A grid, and in the B grid this we will see, and up to this we will see, and this we will see. Okay, like this. So we are elevation, first we'll select and going to apply A, then OK, and select the every cell, select the all stories, and every cell will select. That's like this. Okay, then assign and cell load and wind pressure coefficient. Okay, and how much we require, and this coefficient only conducting on the IS code. So in the IS code we have the this vastly building height. So building height, how much we have height, building height, how much we have building height. So in the question is the the bottom story is 3 and up to 4 4 4 4 4 4. So this is the greater than 50 meters na, like so we are using, sorry, we are using this. and the height of the building and width of the building. How much width is 6 meters, 6 meters, 6 meters spacing. So it will dividing the this. Then we will find the these categories. Okay, we will find the these categories in these categories. Okay, so in these categories, see, if we are standing A, then we are putting value this. If we are standing B side, then we are putting the this value. We are standing C side, then we are putting the C side. If we are standing D side, we are putting D side, then we are putting the D value. So we are providing this four value: 0 0.8, minus 0 0.25, 0 minus 0 0.8, and minus 0 0.8. So like this we'll providing the, we are, how much elevation we are select is a elevation view A we are select, that's why we are providing the 0.8. And like this A B also providing 0.8, and C D also provide 0. Minus 0.25, and elevation 1 and 2 is the minus 0.8, and 1 as 3 and 4 is the minus 0.5. Then apply, then okay, apply, then okay. Okay, so everything we will providing: wind load, dead load, cladding load, life load, off load provided. Now we'll analyze, and in analyze menu we'll run analyze and wait for some times. Okay, it will analyzing. After analyze, it take more time. Okay, okay. Done. After analyze, we will design. After analyze, oops, sorry. After analyze, we will design how which section we will provide. Okay, which section we will provide. Sorry for disturbing now. Sorry. Okay, analyze. After analyze, we are providing the design. In design, concrete frame design and with the reverse model, we are select the all the design code IS456. It will must be checked. Then okay, after the design in the composite frame and the check design, in the check design, in the check design, it take more time, and design check. See, check design, and we are design the view all member passed. We are not, let's see, all concrete passed from the design check. Okay, now we are project report have there in the project report, and summary report have there in the project report. If we open, okay, how to project will was done is everything is shown in the page. Okay, see, this is the project report. Okay, thank you. We have all are good.